The former deputy president of the Economic Freedom Fighters and the co-founder of the EFF, Floyd Shivambu, made a shocking announcement when he said he won't be renewing his membership of the EFF and wants to be released to his duties from the party. He then dropped a bombshell saying that he is joining the Umkhonto weSizwe party that is led by the former President Jacob Zuma. The senior EFF leader, Advocate Dali Mpofu, shared how he felt when Floyd Shivambu said he's leaving the Economic Freedom Fighters for the Umkhonto weSizwe party. Advocate Dali Mpofu broke his silence on Face the Nation show on SABC1. He said he was very shocked and the organization itself was very shocked.
Yeah, surprise.
Chairman Manyathela asked Dali Mpofu that the CIC said that they won't personally attack each other, but when he was addressing his ground forces, he was an angry man who felt betrayed by Floyd. Advocate Dali Mpofu responded and said this.
Well,
Participate in the conference. Is that even in the EFF constitution? Has it even been discussed among ground forces, or it was just Julius Malema's decision? Dali Mpofu said no, that's not how it